Hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value. Area high, VAH, 6,906, the high stone wall of the Colosseum. If breached, the crowd roars for more blood. Value area low, VAL, 6,889, the trapdoor to the lion's den. Falling through means a messy end for the bulls. Point of control, POC, 6,894, the center of the arena where the most sand was kicked up today. Support zone, 6,876 to 6,889, the Legion's defensive line where the shields are held tight. Resistance zone, 6,906 to 6,916, where the archers are positioned to rain arrows on any advancing bulls. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,876 to 6,878, a narrow tunnel beneath the stands. If price slips here, it's a quick trip to the pits. Upper, 6,915 to 6,916, the Emperor's balcony. A swift ascent here leaves the bears in the dust. Market context. The arena is filled with the scent of fear and sweat today, as price has been pinned between 6,876 and 6,916, showing a market as indecisive as a crowd, deciding whether to give a thumbs up or down. The CVD has plummeted like a fallen gladiator, suggesting the sellers are currently holding the tridents, though the bulls are still clinging to the VAL. It is a balancing act of violence, leaning slightly toward a bearish massacre if 6,889 fails. 3-day march through the arena. Day 3, February 25th. POC, 6,906. High, 6,984. Low, 6,892. The bulls dominated early, but tired before the final chariot race. Day 2, February 26th. POC, 6,950. High, 6,971. Low, 6,871. A brutal battle of wide range where the bears nearly sacked the city. Day 1, February 27th. POC, 6,894. High, 6,916. Low, 6,876. Value has shifted lower as the legions retreat to the inner sanctum. Value has been steadily retreating over the last 3 sessions, today balancing near the lower gates. A breach of the current VAH would be a heroic comeback, while a loss of VIAL invites the lions to feed I. Volume analysis, cumulative, volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Session open, CVD, negative 2,702 contracts. The day began with a volley of spears from the bear camp. Intraday peak. Buying, CVD climbed to 4,800. A brief moment where the bulls thought they had the upper hand. Current CVD, negative 5,573 net, negative 2,871 from open, meaning the sellers have systematically dismantled the bulls formation. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 5,652, the moment when the bulls were pinned against the wall. Interpretation: aggressive selling delta is the commander of this battlefield. Any rally is merely a desperate shield wall that will likely be broken without a massive influx of fresh legionaries. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL, 6,889 to 6,894. Stop loss below the single print tunnel at approximately 6,876, 4 ticks below the low, or use average true range, ATR, approximately 8 points below entry. Profit target, initial target at POC, 6,894. Major target at VAH, 6,906. Short trades. Entry zone on rejection of VAH, 6,906 to 6,916, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss. Above the Emperor's balcony at approximately 6,917 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL, and then the daily low. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above. VAH. Bulls. Storm the high wall at 6,906 and hold the ramparts. Setup. Enter long above 6,906 with stop at 6,894 POC. Target 6,916 and beyond on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. Bears throw the ladders down from 6,906 to 6,916. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,917. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The defensive line at 6,889 collapses and the bears flood in. Setup. Shorter break below 6,889. Stop above 6,895. Recent skirmish high. Target 6,876 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. The bulls find a second wind at the VAL, surprising the arrogant bears. Setup. Long at 6,889. Stop at 6,876. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.